Hello everyone. If you're a software AI tool developer, this video is for you. With AI search engines like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Bing AI, and Perplexity shaping how people find information online, traditional SEO strategies aren't enough anymore. Getting noticed now relies on semantic understanding, structured data, and content designed for AI. I wrote articles about it and videos. You can watch my previous videos and understand what's going on. Now, just keywords and backlinks aren't enough. Creating an AI tool is just the first step. With thousands of AI tools launching every year, visibility is key. SEO stands for search engine optimization, ensures your tool reaches the right audience, generates traffic, and converts users. Here is how you can ensure your AI tool stands out. Leverage a structured data and schema markup. AI search engines rely on a structured data to understand what your tool does. By adding the right schema, you help AI engines identify your product and its features. Use JSON LD schema for software application, web application, or product. Include essential properties, name, description, URL, features, pricing, rating, and reviews. This allows AI engines to create rich cards or answer boxes that display your tool directly to users. For example, a search for AI writing assistant could return a card showing your tool's name, short description, rating, and direct link if structured correctly. Create semantic rich, AI friendly content. AI search engines understand meaning, not just keywords. Optimize your content to communicate clearly and contextually. Remember, just manipulating ChatGPT 5 to show your company's name in ChatGPT is not enough because people lost their trust in ChatGPT large language models tools. Why? Because the majority provides wrong information or manipulative data. For example, ChatGPT 5 is not reliable because it shows information without third party links. And if it shows third party links, they belong to the owners, the website or person's website and social media accounts. And these creates doubtful description about the person or company in ChatGPT, which not only damages that person or company's reputation, but also creates confusion for visitors who searching for a person or company. I did some tests and research. I wrote financial advisor in London through ChatGPT, and ChatGPT provided three companies, financial advisor companies, which are horrible. And I wrote in Google reviews about these financial advisors, these companies, and went to Trustpilot and Yelp and saw horrible reviews. I didn't pay attention to fake 5-star reviews because not me, an average Joe doesn't pay attention to those unless they sound very natural. And because a real buyer, when he or she writes a review, the review, when you read it, you know that this is a buyer has written, because people usually say what kind of problems this product or service has solved. And sometimes buyers are angry and they write negative review about a product or service. And this is what people go for, not 99% of five-star review. Because I personally, when I buy something on Amazon, I check out the negative reviews, and then I read the positive reviews, and then I judge, should I buy this or not. Sometimes some sellers are very slick. They give negative review, but the content of review is positive. You see what I'm talking about? So pay attention to reviews. Now, if your AI tool is completely new, what you can do is to ask AI SEO optimizers, AI search engine SEO optimizers, to try your product and write a review. Then this person would talk about your product through their YouTube channel or articles and talk about pros and cons. And this is how you attract buyers to your product. And if you have genuine reviews, then of course that will be reflected in AI search engines about your product. I see a lot of advertising on Instagram about AI tools like AI video tools and AI photography tools. And they say, oh, this is perfect. This is the best of all. And then you go to review Trustpilot or Yelp or any other review platforms. You see, people are crying that this product, if only this product could have worked, they would be very happy. And sometimes the same AI developers come to me and ask me to talk about, to promote their products. I don't do it because the very first thing I do, I go to review sites, see, does this product really help people, help users of this product, especially AI video tools, translator tools. If people are happy, so be it. I am happy to review the site, the product. And but if it is shady and they have bad customer service, the product is not working optimal, and it's just horrible, no matter how many sales they have landed, no matter how the money is good, I won't do it. Because if a product is good, I proudly present the product because I know that it's going to solve a problem. Many people, especially within film production, they really want an AI tool to help with to help the film, especially if the film requires VFX. And VFX is very expensive, like 4,500 pounds per minute. So some AI video tools, AI VFX tools really can help filmmakers to create a natural visual effects in their films or their advertising project, their AI tools, and so on. My recommendation is building knowledge graph to have a presence online. Again, people have lost their trust in ChatGPT 5 because of wrong information. It doesn't matter how many $billion they're signing contracts with companies. The whole point is, if the product doesn't provide the right information, then we still go back to Google search engine to find a product or service, right? Just searching Google How many people are complaining about ChatGPT? Publish content on tech directories, SaaS marketplaces, AI review platforms. Maintain consistent naming, URLs, and description across platforms. So don't use different description for the same product in different platforms. It has to be the same content in all these platforms. Consider creating a dedicated wiki style page for your AI tool that explains its features, use cases, and benefits. Again, like I said, if the tool is new and you don't have reviews for it, and you can't find anybody to review the product, what you can do, create a case study. So this is an option for you if you don't have reviews. Because people are not stupid. They go through case study. If the product works, they can test drive it, and then they can buy. Some AI search engines rank results based on how easily the AI model can extract structured information. So it's very important you provide clear headlines, tables, and lists. Include step-by-step tutorials and examples. It's very daunting, I know, but you gotta do it. This is your product. Ensure content is prompt ready. I explained in my previous video how to do it. Because AI search engines rely on prompt ready content, services, products, stuff like that. Meaning AI assistants can summarize it accurately. At the end of the day, you gotta be honest about your product, because if you exaggerate about the product that is not good enough for users don't buy it, no matter how SEO friendly is the product. And also try to drive engagement and usage signals. AI engines factor in real world engagement, encourage free trials, demos, and interactive tutorials. Believe me, I see some products, the online, whatever, different products like cleaning background of photo, retouching, cleaning, or changing photo to a superhero. There are some small AI tools online. Some of them don't provide free trial. They go right to subscription and get become our subscriber, and then you can try it. People don't do that, because if a product is good, let's say translation and narration AI tool, there are some very good AI tools online that are very user friendly in terms of translation of one language to several languages, and the sound is very natural. Collect reviews, rating, and testimonials. You can give, for example, 10% discount to Mr. X or Miss Z to write a testimonial, and people gladly, because you have to give something. I mean, I buy products and some of them ask for review and in exchange for discount offer of the product that I'm using on monthly basis. I gladly do that because I'm happy with the seller. I'm happy with the product. Why not encourage the others also use and buy the same product? Because I'm seeing high usage signals, longer session times, and repeat interactions help boost visibility. Integrate with AI ecosystems. What does it mean? Integration into AI ecosystems improves discovery. List your tool on Bing AI Marketplace, OpenAI plugin store, Hugging Face Spaces, or other relevant platforms. Provide APIs or plugins so AI assistants can fetch data from your tool directly. Design your tool to be chatbot friendly, allowing AI engines to reference your output reliable. And continue optimization, because visibility on AI search engines is an ongoing process. It's not just one time and I'm done with it. You gotta do on monthly basis. Track every prompt and queries lead to your tool being mentioned. This is very important. Update your structured data, tutorials, and FAQs based on usage trends. Test how AI assistants reference your tool and refine content to ensure accuracy and completeness. So boosting your AI tools visibility on AI search engines require a shift from traditional SEO to AI-aware SEO. Structured data, semantic rich content, engagement signals, and ecosystem integration are now key. By focusing on these areas, you and your marketeers can ensure the AI tool is not just discoverable, but recommended and referenced by AI engines, a game-changing advantage in the age of AI ever. Until next time.